Greetings. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 reasons why you should be using Google's Drive. Reason number 1, economy. Google's Drive is free. It does just about anything you need it to do for free. So if you need to open a Word document and you don't have Word on your computer, that's okay. You can just open it on Google Drive. If you have a PDF you need to open and you don't have Adobe on your computer, it doesn't matter. You can just open it on Google Drive. If you're getting a lot of messages that you can't open this document or that document because you don't have the right software, just try opening it on Google Drive. Reason number 2, security. If I have a document that is really important to me that I don't want to lose, no matter what, I save it to Google Drive. That way I know no matter what happens to my laptop, my thumb drive, my phone, I have that document safely stored in Google's cloud. So security is very important to me, and that's a good reason to be using Google Drive. Reason number 3 is convenience and versatility. As I mentioned before, you can access it from anywhere. It's convenient. You don't have to download any special software to get to it. You can keep all of your files safely online. And if you go to here, where you see the new button when you create new, you can upload all your files to Google's Drive. You can upload entire folders to Google's Drive, so it's really easy to do that, to upload and convert your files to Google Drive. You can access Google Docs here. You can create brand new Google Docs or convert other documents into Google Docs using Google Docs. Using Google Sheets, you can convert Excel spreadsheets into Google Sheets and vice versa. You can create them from scratch, or you can import your data from somewhere else. Google Slides is much like PowerPoint. You can create slideshows and animate them, put text over them, do pretty much whatever you can do with PowerPoint, all for free. So that's a great thing. Also, Google Forms, you can create interactive forms. Google Sites, you can create websites and connect your Google Forms to those websites. So there's just a lot you can do. And if that's not enough, you can always upgrade to Google's G Suite, which gives you enhanced storage capacity and other features and custom domain names. That's the 3 reasons why you should be using Google's Drive. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like and share or subscribe to me below. I will see you in the next video.